create an article on Blocksmith, log into your Blocksmith account. Click on Create New button and you will find this page. Always write your article in a notepad, copy the heading, paste your heading here. This is the place where you will find your byline. If you click on the drop down menu, you will find all the names. The next step is Coolidge Tag Picker. Now here you have to choose your city. Click on the drop down menu and choose your city. Choose the college name. Choose the tag type here. Now this is an article which can go under lifestyle. Add Coolidge tag, scroll down. This is the place where you will type your rest of the article. So go to your notepad, copy the whole article, paste it on the Blocksmith. The next step is to add a relevant picture. You will see Insert Media. So click on Insert Media, click on Browse and select image. So the next step is Image Details. So here provider, when you click on this drop down menu, you will see Getty, Associated Press, Press Association, Shutterstock. These are the photo services from which we cannot use photos because you have to buy any photo if you want to use it. Click on Other, and here in the credit you have to type credit of the image. Now the next step is alternate text. If your article is about IPL auction, you will write IPL auction. So when you click on complete upload, your picture will be there. Double click on the image, go to advanced, change the width to 590 pixels, click OK. Next step is image credits. Below the tags you will find metadata. So click on this drop down menu, click image credit and type your image credit here and click on add revision and close. If you have an article which is pretty long like this, you can add another picture. Because this is a second picture, you don't have to go to edit metadata. Press enter and type here image credit. Next step is to insert a YouTube video in an article. Place your cursor where the video has to be embedded. Go to the YouTube video, copy the URL in Blocksmith, paste the URL and click on embed code. The iframe will get embedded where the cursor was placed. The next step is add tags. We add tags so that your article appears on the first page of Google search. Tags are very important for an article. It will give your article visibility. So always look for the important words in your article. Like in this article, the important word could be Yuvraj Singh. Copy Yuvraj Singh, paste here, tags and click on add. Here as you can see, I've added all the important words from this article to the tags. The next step is to add hyperlinks. It will give visibility to your article and also to another article which is related to the same topic. So if I hyperlink Indian Premier League IPL with an article on Coolidge, type Indian Premier League on the search and I see all the IPL related articles. So I can choose IPL 6 Boon or Curse, copy the URL, go back to Blocksmith. At the top you will see this button link. So click on link and make sure that the word that you want to hyperlink is selected. Paste your URL, go to target and choose new window. Now India Premier League is hyperlinked. So here I have hyperlinked 5 important words in this article. When you scroll up, you will see options. You will see the status of your article. You should always save your article under drafts. So after doing all this, save your article. Click on save. This is the most important part of your article. And you can see if your article is saved or not. Go to content, posts and click on drafts, apply, and you will see your article. If you want to do any changes in your article, click on edit and you can do any changes. Below the status of your article, you'll find log post. In case your article is incomplete and you want to come back and complete it, check log post and add notes. So click on notes and you have to add that my article is incomplete and save. When the sub-editor pushes it under pending, it doesn't mean that your article is published. It is for the editors to edit, then they will publish it. Here you can see your article is yellow in color. So the ones that are white in color are already live on the website, and this article will go live at the mentioned time. And this is how you create an article on Blogsmith.